Follow the instructions in this video to practice formatting the Internet Safety Newsletter. First, we will format the layout of our document. Click on the Layout tab to create custom margins. Click on Margins, then click on Custom Margins. Make the top 2 inches and make the left 0.5, make the bottom 0.5, and make the right 0.5. Then hit OK. Pause this video to set your custom margins. Now we're going to create 2 columns. Click on Columns, click on More Columns, click on 2, and make sure this says Whole Document. Then click OK. Pause this video to create your custom margins. Next, we will insert a header and a footer. Click on the Insert tab and click on the Header command. Choose blank 3 columns for your header. In the first column, type your name. In the second column, type Internet Safety First, and in the third column, type the month and the year. Pause this video to insert your header. Close your header. Now return to your Insert tab and go to the Page Number command. Hover over bottom of page and choose a page number you wish to insert into your document. Pause this video to insert the page number at the bottom of your page. After you've done so, click the X. Next, we will format our border. Click on the Design tab and go to your Page Border command. Turn off the top and the bottom of your border by clicking the top and the bottom icon in the Preview section. Next, hit OK. Pause this video to format your border. Next, we will format our WordArt text box. Click your cursor on the text box and drag it up to the blank space of the page. Reshape your text box so it's longer. Next, from your Format tab, change your text fill to white and change your shape fill to a burgundy. Also, change your shape outline to the same color. Next, select your text and change your font style to Broadway. Pause this video to format your WordArt text box. Next, we're going to format the text in our newsletter. Select the text in your newsletter, with the exception of the resource section, and set the alignment to justify. Pause this video to set your alignment to justify. Then click on each heading separately and set each heading to center aligned. Including your resources heading. Pause this video to set each of your headings in your newsletter to center aligned. Now select your text again and change your line spacing to 1.5. Pause this video to set your line spacing. Next, we're going to apply a first line indent to each one of our paragraphs in our newsletter. First, make sure your ruler is showing by clicking on the View tab and checking off Ruler. Then, click in front of your first paragraph and move the first line indent marker to the ½ inch mark on your ruler. Then go to your second paragraph and do the same thing. And then do the same thing for your third paragraph. When you're working with columns, your markers will move over to the second half of the ruler when you're indenting in the second column. Pause this video to create a first line indent for each one of your paragraphs in your newsletter. Next, we're going to apply a hanging indent on our resources. Select all of your URLs under Resources, go up to your ruler, click on your hanging indent marker and move it ½ inch. Pause this video to apply a hanging indent on your resources using your ruler. The last thing that we're going to do is format our picture. Click on your picture and change the text wrapping by clicking on the layout options. Change the text wrapping to typed. Pause this video to change your text wrapping. Next, click on the Format tab choose a picture style from the menu. Then resize your picture and position it neatly in your document. Pause this video to format your picture and position it neatly in your document. After you're done, click Save.